Usually, when we want to increase the space between words in Microsoft Word, we just hit the space button directly for 2 times or 3 times. Well, please don't do that. This will danger your article structure or will harm your formatting style. Let me show you the correct way. First, let's activate the show and hide button so we'll see the paragraph marks that is hidden in the formatting style. And you see that this one dot between words is the space between words. Okay, so the main idea is to increase the space is just like increasing the space size. So you see that this space size is the same size as the font size. So if you use 11 point as the font size, the space size is also the 11. So if you increase the space size by selecting the space and then change the size into 20, you'll see that the space becomes larger. Okay, and the main idea is making the whole space that you want becomes larger. But if you do this manually, it will take your time. To fasten the process, we will use the find and replace method, and we will find the whole spaces in the section and then replace them with the bigger size of spaces. Okay, that's the idea. So first, let's select the section like this, and at the top menu here, go to the home, and at the right side, you see the editing tab. Go to the replace button. Great. Now at the find what, let's type space. Okay, we will find all the spaces in the section, and then we will replace it at the replace with tab with space. And for the advanced feature, you can click the more section here, and then at the format here, at the bottom here, at the replace section, click the format option. Then you can click the font. Now you have the font size here at the right side, and you can select the size that you want. If you want to increase it, let's choose the larger numbers, and if you want to decrease it, select the smaller number. Let's say we want to change it into 22 like this. Click OK, and you see that the space will be changed into font in the size of 22 points. Then click replace all. Okay, we have 75 replacement in our selection, and if you want to do it for the rest of the document, you can click yes, but in this case I'll just show you in the selected area. So I'll click no, and then let's close the window. You see that the new space is bigger than the previous space, and if you uncheck the show and hide button, you have the same exact document with one space, but in this case it has bigger space between words. It doesn't harm your document and it doesn't affect your formatting style. You can use this technique for your further analysis or interpretation in your research and so on. That's it. See you in the next video.